Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I here outside at the back of the house. We are here in the yard. Yeah. Today my grandson Pin. Yeah, that's my grandson Pin. He visit me again with me and him only now this time. Today, my husband going out with his friend to fix the door of their friend also. So they invited him to help them to fix the door. So me and Pin only here now. Then it's too hot there inside. Yeah, it's the weather now here in Michigan. Yeah, in Atlanta, it's sunny day. It's warm. Yeah, it's warm. It's like in the Philippines. This weather is like in the Philippines, so I feel like I'm in the Philippines only. Yeah, so it's nice if summer. Yeah, summer is like in the Philippines. Yeah, I love it. I love it, my Pin. Yeah, so here outside it's windy, so not much. It's fresh. Yeah. Yeah, even it's if you go to the sun, it's so warm. But if you are here under the pine tree, yeah, it's nice here. We are here in under the pine tree, the back. Yeah, it's so nice here, fresh air. I love here. See, in front also in the house, they have also a pine tree there with flowers. But we stay here first because there's the sun is very near the house. Yeah, it's a little bit good here. Windy here at the back. Yeah, see, so nice to stay here outside. Yeah, we have there wildflowers there. Yeah, here. Yeah, that's the house. Yeah, that's in here and me. Here we are here in under the big two pine tree. Look, yeah. So even me and Pin only, we are happy, no? Pin, you are happy here with me? Yeah, it's big breath. Okay, guys. Yeah. I'll say also thank you for all my viewers and followers who subscribe me. Thank you very much. I just start also in YouTube, so I hope it will be successful. Just practicing making a video editing because I didn't know how to edit video, but them start. Yeah, I learned a little bit, so my video it's improved a little bit a little bit. But a problem of me now is to how to talk and speak because I'm not really good in English. But my husband, I don't want me to speak in Filipino. Ayun niya kasi hindi daw siya nakaintindi. He cannot understand. Yeah, so he requests me that I'll say in English. Even it's difficult for me to say. Say sorry for both of you that I'm not good also in pronunciation. Yeah, because I'm not good. Bubo kasi ito eh. Mahina ang utak. Kaya pasensya na po kayo. Pero masaya ako dito. Itong ganito sa media. Yeah. Kasi naboboard din ako. Yeah. So saka ang laki ng tulong dito. It's a big help for me to learn more. Yeah. Because before I'm always only working as a maid. Yeah. In Saudi it's a long time. Then took good care of my kids before, so I'm not really exposed to anything, just only for work. So now I have a time. I'm like a retired with my husband. Yeah. So I have time to make a video. I'm happy also. I learn. I have nothing because I'm not going to school. So I just only learn by myself through YouTube. Yeah. So because I am not excellent brain, so I'm not easily to understand. Yeah, slowly only, maybe God will bless me to learn more and know. So will be in successful. I'm not being, I'm happy only, even like that, even a little bit subscriber, viewers, I'm happy for that. Yeah, God's will, you know. So I hope you watch also my videos, even not much good this time, but just I see it, I'm happy. I'm happy looking my video. That's a practicing video. So you enjoy and you can comment me what is that, what is wrong with me, but I'm trying my best, guys. Yeah. So I'm happy here, learning more, and thank you everyone who watch me. Thank you so much. You are my inspiration. Yeah. And some of the creator in YouTube, thank you so much. I watched him. I watched her other one that which is that since I'm so thankful for her alone. That she's alone. Alone. I forgot. That's what my friend is to stack up. So I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, but I'll try myself to learn. And thank you for watching.